2025 Prelim Henry Parks Primary School, Paper 1, Booklet A, Question 13. The clock shows 6 o'clock. At what time will the two hands of the clock form an angle of 150 degrees? Now, one circle around the clock is 360 degrees. Alright, if we take 360 degrees divided by 12, that will give us 30 degrees. That means that every 5 minutes, okay, this hand will move, the minute hand will move 30 degrees. Alright, now I want to cancel out the easier one. Let's look at 3 o'clock first. Option 3. Okay, option 3 is 90 degrees. Alright, you will say that there's another angle here, 270 degrees, but we'll always only focus on the smaller angle, alright, in this type of question. So option 3 is 90 degrees, which is wrong. Okay, now option 4, 4 o'clock. Now we know that 3 o'clock is 90, and we mentioned earlier that 5 minutes 30 degrees. Alright, so option 4 is 90 degrees plus 30 degrees. That will give us 120 degrees. It's not 150, so option 4 is also wrong. Alright, now let's look at option 2, 10 o'clock. This is 10 o'clock. Okay, we have an 11 here. Alright, so this part here is 60 degrees. Alright, so 10 o'clock is 60 degrees. So 10 o'clock is wrong. Now let's look at 7 o'clock. Okay, now we know that this is 90. From 7 to 9, this is 60 degrees. Okay, so we have 90 plus 60. That will give us 150. Alright, so our answer is option 1, 7 o'clock.